to Guns, Optics, and Reloading. My name is Brian, and today I'm going to start a new series on taking a good gun and making it better. We're going to start today with the Ruger PCC. This one's in 9mm. I'm sure a lot of you have one of these. They're great rifles, and you know, the other day I was out shooting and I thought to myself, I wonder what I could do to make this better. So I did a little bit of research and come to find out there's a great company out there who I've used before. They don't sponsor me, they don't sponsor this channel, but I still want to give a good shout out to them, and that is M-Carbo. They make really nice spring upgrades, all kinds of stuff that you can add to your rifles. And so I was actually looking to upgrade my CZ457, which I'm going to be doing another video on that one as well, when I came across a lot of people saying, hey, you got to try them out, you know, look them up, and I did, and I was really, really impressed. And so I started to look through to see what other products they sell, what other, you know, platforms they offer upgrades to. And so sure enough, I have a couple other rifles that they have stuff for. So, you know, we're going to do this one, we're going to do a high point carbine, we're going to do the CZ457, we're going to do a Thompson Center compass. So these are all going to be different videos in this series of taking a good gun and making it better. So anyways, I am not going to really tell you how to do this. I'm going to put a time-lapse video of me upgrading this, and because M-Carbo has some great videos already on their website, very descriptive. He did a really good job in telling you how to do this, so I'm not going to take up your time trying to show you how to do it when you can look at his videos. I'm going to do a time-lapse real fast so you can see it. But anyway, so basically in this particular firearm, today we're going to upgrade the recoil spring. They have made a spring that handles heavier ammunition better, handles the recoil, helps it soften the recoil, helps it cycle better. Some people are having problems with stovepipes, misfeeds, stuff like that. I personally haven't had any problems in this one. Well, I've been shooting 124 grain bullets through this one, and I haven't had any problems. But you know what? The spring is only a couple bucks. Why not upgrade it, make it better? Also, one of the things that they're really famous for, or a lot of shooters like, is their spring kits for triggers. The trigger in this is okay, but you know what? They offer a carbine trigger spring set. So we'll do a quick measurement and we'll see what it is without it and with it. So this weapon is clear. I'm going to take it apart. I'm going to take it over to the other bench. We're going to switch cameras, and we'll get started with upgrading this, and we'll talk about it when we get done. So we got the springs replaced. We got everything put back together. Had one little mess up. And in the video, when you watch the M-Carbo videos, sorry, my hands are pretty filthy right now. I hadn't cleaned this gun yet. You got to watch the little pieces. I had one little pin come out, and that's why it wouldn't. That's why there's a little glitch in there. So once I figured out what that little pin was, put it back together, all went fine. Reduced the trigger weight by roughly a pound, maybe a little more. So it's still around 4 pounds, but it does break way cleaner. It feels considerably better than the original trigger. So, you know what? For, 25 bucks maybe, I think I spent on everything to upgrade the recoil spring and all the trigger stuff. That's worth it. To make this gun shoot better, I think 25 bucks is good. So go to M-Carbo, check them out, see if they have some upgrades for a gun or a pistol or rifle that you may have. It's worth it to me. From what I can see, this is going to shoot a lot better. The trigger's definitely going to break much more consistently. I know they have some other parts for this. They've got a new flat trigger. They have a cycling thing in the magazine, an extended magazine release. So I'm going to probably look into some of those parts and maybe get this thing upgraded just a little bit more. But so really that's going to be it for today on this series of taking a gun, making it a little bit better. So this is the Ruger PCC carbine. Anyways, I want to go ahead and thank M-Carbo again for such a good experience. Good website. I ordered my stuff, got my product out really quick. I just want to thank them again and for making a good product. I'm really happy with some of my other rifles. I'm not going to talk about this yet because they're going to be an upcoming video. So anyways, that's it for today. Hey, if you like the videos, go ahead and like, give them a thumbs up, subscribe, click the bell, get notifications. That helps me out, that helps the channel out, and it helps me get more stuff out to you guys. And just again, thanks for watching. Appreciate it, and we'll see you next time.